Say you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we never dip
What
that.
up? It's a boy, Same Flame Entertainment with the latest news and reviews like all the time, every second, every minute, every hour, every day. So as I said the thumbnail, as I said the title, I know we're heading out with this one and what's on the news menu. But before we get to what's on the news menu, for all the new viewers here, please consider like, subscribe and share. Turn on the post notification so you'll be notified immediately when a new video drop. And for the Flames family, y'all know what to do already. Run up the likes on this one, mash up the likes button, leave your honest thoughts and opinion down below in the comment section. Now back to what's on the news menu. Yeah man, what we have on the news menu. Today we fall to talk about none other than the Taliban himself, the Yardman Trinidad Kitishan Shatter. You see me? That's the Masicka Byron Messia goes by. I don't know if he go by it up to this day, but that's one of his many monikers. You see me? The Z himself. So we see the Taliban made a bunch of Instagram posts, a slew of Instagram posts on Instagram. I don't know, Byron Messia is a frequent user of Instagram to get his message across and also to promote his music and also to say what's exactly on his mind. He uses it as a medium to let his fans and the people them know what is up. So we see Byron make some posts. Yeah man, some posts where a lot of people direct it at Teejay, myself as well. You see me, I can see how a lot of people would take it as an aim at Teejay, and me going to explain and tell you why in a little bit. And I'm going to also share some of the posts, yeah man, some of his recent posts. And when me talk about recent posts, me not talk about from last week. Me I talk about where today up from last night up until today. You see me, that is all recent I am talking. You see me, but first and foremost, one set up boom and big up Byron Messia. We see him album and him the Taliban, the big hit song and record of the year. We see them mention it for Grammy. We see Byron Messia posted up on the Grammy that it was submitted to the Grammys. So you don't know that go already. So just look out for more information and that he's having a tremendous year. He is getting some big collabs also from Chris Brown, Burna Boy, you name it. He's getting some big show. He performed on some big show, especially the festival that kept in England with Popcaan. Yeah man, them go lock it down. But watching the people we are gonna get in at the post them like right now. Yeah, so Byron made a post on his Instagram. Byron say everybody sensitive these days. So the man basically I make you know, so watching Teejay is a sensitive person. You see me? He's very sensitive. So that's why him and him no good up to now. That's why them a beef, you see me? Because him simple say something online, tell Teejay suck him mother brawling, which Teejay has all right to defend himself and defend his mother Anna. You see me, so I can't bash Teejay upon the one day. As a Jamaican, as a yardman, you know, so watching you know run the suck him mother joke. So Teejay run out upon him and this him brawling. So you can't rank Teejay for the one day. But watching out really and truly that our Byron Messia say. You see me, Byron Messia also went on to make a post again pertaining to the whole Teejay saga. You see me, Byron Messia say timing, and a lot of people say what you mean by that. Me I tell you exactly what you mean by that. You don't know, Same Flame of the Breakdown King. So watch you know, timing. A lot of people want Byron reply to Teejay right as Teejay drop a song. You see me? So Byron basically I make a know say no, we do our thing different. You see me, I work on my own time. The Z them operate on them own time. Them not operate on nobody else time. You see me? So not because you and the fans them say what you know, you have to reply at this specific time mean that I am going to reply at this specific time. You see me? And you know in everything, timing is key. You see me? Timing is key in everything. Timing is a factor in every single thing. you can think about on this earth. Growing up, I always hear my mother and my grandmother said, time is the master of every single thing. Time is longer than rope. You see me? And those are some of the phrases that I live by. Those are some of the quotes and some of the words that I live by up to this day. You see me? And implement that into my life. So that's what Byron meant when he said timing. You see me? So the timing, as you can see, the hourglass there, you see me? So him soon strike. That Byron Messia basically make you know, so watch out when me a strike, you know, nothing can hold it back. Then we see him set so now, boom. Byron said no talk, all action. So Byron I said him not depend no talking with Teejay, none of that. Teejay make him talk them, a be talk him a make. Teejay make him know, so watch out, him can't come back to Jamaica. Teejay make him know, say alone box down him a go get when him see him, and especially when him catch him at Jamaica. You see me? So Byron I say watch out, talk some man depend. Me no depend on talking thing, none at all. You see me? None at all. Me no depend on talking thing. If a action, but the talking thing, we no go the talking thing. So that's how Byron basically have to say, you see me? So me look upon this as an indication of the war really in the end. It just go on a pause. You see me? It just go on a pause. Because for Byron I make them type of speech, you know what that mean, that can't come from a place where no, me not go war. Them speech and them talk incite war. And when I say war in a people, I not tell about no man go shoot up no man or no man for go kill no man or stab up no man or none of that. We are talking about music. Clash we are talking about, you see me? Yes, clash we are talking about, you see me? Because we see artists I go prison. We see artists I get gunshot. We see artists are dead. We see artists are getting a some serious situation. We see artists are in a wheelchair and one bagati. You see me? So this is not what CM Flame Entertainment saying. We are talking about the clash in itself that we are talking about. So first of all, we want to big up Byron Messia. Yeah man, we want to big up Byron Messia. Last but not least, big up Byron Messia. You see me? Him currently I do it right now at the moment. Him a put in the work. You see me? Him a perform a lot. Him a do him thing. Him a make him name. Him have a whole country behind him. Send kids, big up over Send Kids to see him way. That is it. A lot of people from Send Kids on this channel. Big up on yourself, see him way. Big up the world, see them, see him way. CM Flame Entertainment, I'm out.